Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to check IMEI number on this device. So, for this operation you have two different methods. The first one is you just open phone application, open keypad, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And here you can see your IMEI 1 and also your IMEI 2. And the second option, you go to settings, then you go to the about device, status, and here you can find your IMEI 1 and also IMEI 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.